Money laundering and wire fraud charges against him dismissed in 2016. Music producer Anju Blaxx back in the recording studio and going public about his past as he rebuilds his brand.
Yo, Jero dog. Yo, more tell me about something me have to laugh dog. Yo, Anju Blaxx.
My career was never that upfront thing where, oh, it's Anju Blaxx, no. You hear my music, you know what it is, and enough people don't know how I look.
Anju Blaxx talking last week about time spent behind bars in the US. Charges eventually dropped, but having returned home, an assault incident landing the music producer in more trouble. The altercation at his birthday party involving a top politician's son. You came back to Jamaica, but social media was busy registering Anju Blaxx in another matter.
Right.
An incident at your home. Somebody injured.
Right.
That has gone away.
Yeah.
Did you have to spend money to make that go away?
Yeah, man, you have to spend money. When my family keeping a surprise birthday cake cutting, you know, when people, your family come and sing happy birthday, you have picnic, old people. I'm singing happy birthday. Apparently my neighbor, Brent Bunting, he never liked the noise or happy birthday. So him come down, bang down the door. We're getting a little argument, fight start. Remember now, him come to my door now with him aggression. Now, after all the fight and everything gone, because of him injuries, I'd have to pay him money.